one drop right here. You can use any colors. You can do pinks, you can do red. So let's do pink first. Let's do red first, and then we can use pink and red for the mixed designs. And I'm gonna leave it right here. And then this is 2 coat of the earthly cure for 60 seconds, and I did the matte top coat on to just cap it, because then we're not sure what designs we are going to do, so we are going to put the matte on just in case of the furs or catching on the nails. So for the designs, we are going to need the blossom gels. And I'm gonna do what you are going to do. If you are going to design and you want the design to spread really nicely and fast, you are going to apply a little bit thicker layer, but not like too super thick, just really thick layers, more than it just like thin. But in this designs, I'm gonna need just a little bit of maybe a minute on it. So then I am going to using a thin coat, and I'm grab the brush number 4, or if you have a brush number 3, it's also work great as well. So I'm gonna do is really like a thin, just a thin layer. Don't want to do it too thick, just thin. And then going to submerging my bristle and we start drawing, getting a center first and drawing on a both side, and like draw a C, letter C, or it's just like a half moon pattern, and you are going to continue to work around. So wherever your C is open, you're gonna go ahead and do is another layer patterns on where you open it, and then thin. You might want to work a little bit. I wouldn't say I have to be faster, because I did apply a thin layer of the blossom gels, and continue to the second roses. It's gonna automatically really beautiful spread it out for you. Again, I'm gonna do the third one.
Oh, that looks so good.
Like it?
Oh, hey, thank you for the badge.
Thank you so
Thank you, Donna.
much. Thank you, Donna. Thank you so much for tuning in. So you start seeing it, your roses is kind of spreading it out for you, and then I am go ahead and clear this for 60 seconds.
Yep.